The number of monkeypox cases has been climbing since May, and with tens of thousands of confirmed cases around 68 countries globally, the World Health Organization is declaring the virus as an emergency. Zach Tawatari spoke with a local expert about this change in status and tells us what Houston can expect. Zach?
Xavier, Houston and Harris County totaling nearly 50 cases as of Saturday. And experts believe this declaration is a signal to countries that the handling of this disease needs to move faster.
The World Health Organization declaring monkeypox a public health emergency.
It's really a signal to global leaders that this is serious business and the number of cases are really starting to accelerate.
Global health expert Dr. Peter Hotez says the declaration on Saturday has to do in part with the rapid trajectory of the nearly 17,000 cases reported worldwide, which he says could be much less than the actual number that exists.
The number of real cases could be 10 times higher.
The symptoms, which can include headache, fatigue, and swollen lymph nodes, among others, produce a rash.
It can be quite painful and really can lay you up for a period of days to weeks.
WHO says that vaccination is 85% effective in preventing monkeypox. But demand is increasing, and Hotez says even though the Biden administration has announced that over 1.5 million doses will be available over the coming months, more might be needed.
I'm not convinced that it will be enough if it really starts to generalize.
The young and elderly are of particular concern, and Hotez says that this emergency is a signal that international cooperation and collaboration are necessary, as it is not singling anyone out.
But the last thing we want to do is make the same mistakes we did in the early days of the AIDS epidemic of stigmatizing the LGBT community, and that helps absolutely no one. This will likely become more generalized.
And Dr. Hotez says that vaccine equity is also very important, that we don't want to make the same mistake as we did during the COVID-19 pandemic, where other countries got less, saying world leaders will need to find a way to step up production. Xavier?